Okay, so now we are end of the pit lane in Abu Dhabi racetrack, so and I will drive you around now for one lap. It's very important here because it's a very special pit exit. You have to go through a tunnel, so that means it takes a long time to get on the track, and I get all information by radio from the race director, from race control, and so radio is still the most important communication thing for me and for my co-driver. We have two extra monitors inside the car, a GPS map where we can see all the cars who's going around the track, so it's very important for us to know in which position are the cars. Especially when I deploy, I always try to catch the leader. If the leader is behind me, I have to say we have done already a good job. We have solved out the problems, but still it's we get always this kind of information also by radio. The track here in Abu Dhabi, it's a lovely track, a lot of spectators. End of the season, by the way. End of the season, that means we had a great season this year. We have really nice races, good fights. More or less it was always without big accidents in Formula 1, what is always a good thing. I like to say on a Sunday evening the best races are without anything. I don't have to drive, I don't want to be on the track, but if they need me, I'm there. By the way, the car, it's in the moment Mercedes AMG GTR, 585 horsepower, but it's a pretty quick car. It's a real sports car, but compared to a Formula 1 car, very slow. And a safety car, it don't have to be a Formula 1 car. We don't have to go that speed. But still, here in Abu Dhabi, we have here on that long straight. Also during I'm on the track, we're going up to 260 kph. And still, the guys behind me, they're waving, keep the tires warm. Now we are here in turn 6-7. It's a slow chicane before we're going to the next long straight. I'm not driving flat out in the moment, we're driving quite slow. I will just explain you a little bit about the car. Going back to the car, it's we're using a traction control like in a real proper race car, in a touring car or sports car. I'm not talking about Formula 1. You can see here just on the top, you see the light systems in front, so we know which lights are on in the moment. That's the orange lights and the flashlights. If I press a green button, you also say the green lights are on. During the race, I'm sitting in the car, waiting that something happens or not. So I'm already ready to go. I'm on standby. We're watching the race by one of the small monitors, and just sitting in the car and waiting. It's a very special job, but what I said already before, it's a nice job because you help the guys in dangerous moments. You try to guide them. They know they have to follow the safety car. They are not allowed to overtake the safety car, and the rest it's up to race control. So it's very important to be connected, to hear exactly what race control, what they want to have, and that's also why I have a co-driver. 4 years and 4 eyes, they hear and see more. So what I said before, communication, it's one of the most important things. We are just now nearly in the end of lap 1, so we're just crossing now here the big hotel from Yas Marina. Very special atmosphere. The race will be from 5 to 7 o'clock in the evening, so we're driving into the night, and with this special flair here, it's a wonderful end of the season, and I'm already looking forward for the next season, because after the season it's before the next season. Thank you very much. Enjoy the race weekend, and see you definitely next year.